Today I want to show you guys how you can easily install WAVV into your high-level account. First thing you're going to do is from your agency view, you're going to go to the app marketplace. Inside of the app marketplace, you can see WAVV's one of the top installed apps. Click on here and you simply will hit install. As you can see, I've already installed it. And so after you install, you'll have the option to add it to any location or all locations. So we're going to go to one of our locations and then you'll see this dialer option over here. And this will come up and I can view the plans. I'm going to try this 7-day trial and sign up for this. Okay, now that I've purchased, it's really simple to use WAVV. I can simply select on these leads and hit dial. This is now gonna load my dialer. You can see right up here, and it's gonna start calling. So as I'm calling, it's awesome because it jumps to their contact page and we're able to easily call right from inside of High Level. Start your free trial today by clicking the link in the description. Thanks you guys. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or suggestions, please add those to the comments below. That's all for today. See you next time.